Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, tungkol po sa PNPC winners. This time, female winners sa iba. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, share, comments, views, at nakabuti ng 500. If support natin sa ating social media account. Ang ating title of this vlog, PNPC's Female Concert Performer Winner sa ating 315. Here's our vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang highlights. Kung sino nanalo, major winners, panoorin. Okay, kung last week, yung nanalong female recording artist ng 7 OPM female artists, this week, tungkol naman sa nanalong female concert performer naman. Na kinakabahan na ako. That the winner of the female concert performer simula sa PNPC Star Awards for Music tuong 2012 in the 4th Star Awards for Music. At ang pinakaunang winner, wala iba kundi si Miss Sarah Geronimo para sa concert na What is Love concert with Sir Martin Yebera. Ayan. About What is Love, yung concert pala, meron nationwide concert like Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Martin Yebera, the concert king, and Sarah Geronimo. Here are the other 5. The other 5 winners aside from Sarah Geronimo, yung pinakauna nanalo. Let's begin with isa lang. Yung one winner ng female concert performer. Umuna na natin yung medyo older. Medyo older. Si Miss Lea Salonga para sa concert noong nanalong Star Wars, 6 Star Awards for Music para sa concert na Playlist. Noong 2030. Special guest po si Mr. Aga Mula. Ay, pati yung anak ni Lea Salonga nag-perform. 2030 concert yon. Okay? Si Lea Salonga. Pero, never po siya nanalo female recording artist of the year. And, yung pinaka-next mo natin, yung younger, older. Para halo, young and old. Si Icy Guerra. Kasi nanalo female concert performer of the year para sa concert na Becoming Ice 35th anniversary concert sa The Theatre at Soler noong 2022. Nanalo po siya ng 15 Star Awards for Music. Beats other female artists like Ann Curtis, Clarice de Guzman, Julian San Jose, and Miss Sharon Cuneta. The concert Becoming Ice with special guest Miss Regine Velasquez, drag queens of Drag Race Philippines, and Bossing Big Soda. Congrats! May makakaroon ng concert ng Love Sessionistas Day 2 na yung April 4 with other sessions. Now let's move on to dalawang winners. Una muna natin yung younger si Morissette. We have 2 winners of female concert performer. Oy, back to back. Una ay 10 Star Wars for Music para sa concert na Morissette is Made at yung 11 Star Wars for Music para sa Alani Morissette Musical Journey Concert. Yung Alani Morissette is Made concert ay 2017 while the Alani Morissette concert 2018. Ayan. Morissette, congratulations. Next is Miss Lani Misalucci, yung never nanalo female recording artist na siya, nomination lang siya. Para sa concert 1, La Nightingale returning concert and masquerade concert with Sir Martin Yebera. Yung na Nightingale concert, ako po ba? 2040 concert. Yeah, 2040 concert at masquerade concert noong 2016. Yeah, 2016. Galing ni Anang Manny Rizalichi. At ano, may bago namang concert ni Miss Lani soon. If babalik sa Pinas, I don't know. And of course, the pop star ng Sana Geronimo. Dalawagan na yung pinakauna ay What Is Love. Kaya sinabi na mention, ang concert niya 2011 with Mr. Martin Rivera. And 2050 concert from the top sa Arena Coliseum. Ayan, 2050 concert nananong Star Wars Revolution 2016 8th edition Female Concert Performer of the Year para sa from the top. Arena Coliseum nagkakaroon na nationwide concert in the next year, 2016. Ayan, congrats! And the most wins sa Female Concert Performer of the Year I see Miss Regine Velasquez ay 6 wins. Una dyan, 2013 winner para sa concert na Silver. Oh, yung Silver concert, may dalawa kasi. Yung one, initial concert noong November 2012, pero may sakit siya. Wala na siyang boses. Number 2, yan ay yung concert, tinatawag ay Silver Rewind sa mga official yan noong January 2030. Palalawa, another Regine Velasquez wins. Ultimate kasama po with Martin, Sir Gary, at Miss Lani Salucha. Noong 2014 ba? 2015? Hindi ba sure? Then, Iconic with Miss Sharon Cuneta, 2019. Unified 2020 concert with Sarah Geronimo. Kasi, concert yan, ito ay pre-pandemic concert noong February 2020. Kasi Iconic 2019, tapos Unified 2020. Freedom, virtual concert. Kasi, the virtual concert called Freedom noong 2021. Kasi, originated schedule ng February 14 to the new schedule will be, I was in February 28, 2021. The virtual concert kasi ni Miss Regine. And, Regine Rocks noong 2023 sa nanalo 16 Star Wars. Yung 3 yung kay Regine Velasquez, 12, 30, and 40. And nung 2050 kasi si Icy Guerra. Tapos sana mag 4 time at 5 time. Kasi 4 kasi natin sana. But, congratulations Miss Regine Velasquez at casting 6-time female concert performer. Congratulations to all the winners. Sino kaya mananalo this year's Female Concert Performer of the Year sa the Star Wars Museum? Malalaman natin sa 70th edition soon. Salamat! Hope to see you next vlog. Bye. God bless.